Okay, so now let's go ahead and go into our keeping it a buck segment for today. Okay, so now our keeping it a buck segment for today, I am a money magnet. Now, I know you guys hear us talk about this and say this a lot, but saying that, it starts out in your brain. And if you believe that you are a money magnet, you're going to think like that. You're going to put that energy out. You're going to walk like it. You're going to talk like it. Your actions are going to line up with what you say you truly believe. And what you guys need to know is that the brain is nothing but a radio station. It sends and receives messages all day. Okay. And when it's sending out those messages are coming from your thoughts consciously and your subconscious. So if you are, and you got, for some of you all know, we have the money affirmations that come daily in the Discord. I have a full I Am Money Magnet on YouTube, on my personal YouTube page, Dion Pouncil, where it literally, oh no, I think that's on Money School page, where it literally is an hour of money affirmations that I speak out. And so when you are pouring these things into your subconscious, you're going to actually start to act on them and to believe in them, because your thoughts create your reality. So I want you to really believe that you are a money magnet and start acting like it. Now, how does that relate to trading and investing? Because your actions are going to support what you say you believe. If you are a money magnet and you truly believe that, guess what money magnets do? They attract money, but they also protect it. So you're going to put your stop losses on. You're going to stick to your trading and investing rules. You're going to grow your money and be okay with growing your money and building wealth slowly at a day at a time, a trade at a time, a week at a time. And you're going to act like wealthy money magnets do. So today, I want to encourage you and I want to remind you that I am a money magnet. I think it, I believe it, I say it, and I act like it. And I want to encourage you to do the same thing. Okay?